Hi, this is Mike with KiiNjA. KiiNjA Corporation is a custom designer and manufacturer of equipment located in North Fort Collins, Colorado. In this episode, we're going to talk about the CoSolvent system on the 20-liter carbon dioxide extraction system. CoSolvent is an additional solvent in addition to the carbon dioxide this 20-liter unit uses, and allows you to get the power of both water and soap, so to speak, by using two solvents to extract whatever product you're looking at. As we talked before, that might be hops, it might be lavender, it might be algae, it might be industrial hemp, it might be medical or recreational cannabis. Any number of products can be run in this pharmaceutical and food grade unit. But let's talk more about that CoSolvent system. It's really exciting. So let's take a look back here at actually what it looks like. Obviously, it takes some additional equipment to make this happen, and I'd like to show it to you. One of the main things we have is the Co-Solvent injection pump. This 20-liter system can operate up to 7,000 pounds, 7,000 psi. So this pump has to keep up with that, and it does. It gets its fluid from a nice onboard storage tank that we've conveniently mounted in the back for you to have easy access to. This is the filling port on top with a nice, easy to read sight glass, so you can easily tell if it's time to put more fluid or co-solvent into the tank. There's many safety features, but one is here, I'll point it out. If this tank were to run out of fluid, it doesn't matter, the system is smart enough to see it and will automatically stop using the co-solvent until you have a chance to refill it. Yes, it does give you an alarm, so you'll know that that's happening. What we're going to do now is actually go up and take a look at the control system of how you turn on and operate the CoSolvent system. We've been talking about the CoSolvent system and just took a look at some of the main mechanical features of it. But now I'd like to show you how through the very automated control system on board the Kinetic, you can control the CoSolvent system. If we come to the process panel, we'll see that we can very simply turn on or off the CoSolvent system called dosing valve by either hitting enable or disenable. Obviously, this system will only work when the system is running, when the extractors are actually in the process of extracting material. That's why you don't hear any noise now. Let's talk about how we control how much co-solvent we're using. If we come to the recipe set point page, if you remember from a previous video, we can set how much mass flow of CO2 we have, and let's assume we want 1,500 or 1.5 kilograms per minute. And we also want to have a co-solvent ratio of 3%. So we're going to add 3% of 1,500 grams per minute of co-solvent. Now you have it. 1,500 grams of CO2, 3% of that, or 45 grams per minute of co-solvent. Once again, back to the front page, it's as easy as pushing this button to turn that function on or off. And that's co-solvent, and one of the powers it gives you with the Kinetic 20-liter extraction system.